everybody! My name is Elly, and this is Elly's Adventures. Today is my birthday, and I want you to celebrate with me. Yay! We're gonna have so much fun. There's gonna be a lot of food, candy, games, a water slide, and a surprise from a very special guest. So get ready for a fun time and much, much more. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Elly's Adventures. Wonder where we'll go. Elly's Adventures. We're going around the globe.
Happy birthday, Elly!
my favorite candy in the world. It's cotton candy. Can you spell cotton candy? C-O-T-O-N-C-A-N-D-Y. Yay! You did it! We had a special guest that showed up to my party. It was Chris the Clown. He came with fun games and he gave me a flower made out of a balloon. Hey, Chris the Clown, what else can you make out of those balloons? Wow, you really are good at making balloon shapes. We got to play so many games with Chris the Clown. Like the toilet paper game. And this one was really fun. Keep going! Keep going! And we had a sticker race. That's a lot of stickers! Then we had to see who was the fastest at blowing a balloon. Looks like we got our winner! And for the end of his show, he gave me more balloon flowers.
Let's have a big round of applause for our beautiful birthday girl!
Elly! Elly Adventurezzz! Like, subscribe, and comment!
Alright! Thank you so much!
Okay, everyone. I think we need a little bit more water time. I just love splashing in the water. My favorite way to swim, backwards. Having fun in the water with your friends is the best. Until you get water in your eyes. Hey! Alright, back to the party. Do you know what this is? It's a dinosaur piñata. We gotta spell piñata. Won't you come on and I with me and until we get treats. T with me. Hey! Yay! Amazing! Piñata, piñata, piñata. We all like to hit piñata, piñata, piñata. Won't you come on and swing with me until we get the treats? Swing with me until we get our treats. Everybody, look at all these candies. First come, first serve. Ooh, I'm feeling hungry. And if you know me, then you know it's food time. I wonder what he's making. Oh wait, I think I know what it is. It's sushi.
Delicious.
Let's watch and see how he makes sushi. He's got avocados, cucumbers, and fish. Now he's gonna roll it up. He's almost done.
Wow!
And there you have it. That's how you make sushi. He makes it so good, everybody wants a piece. Oh look, there's more food.
Delicious.
I don't know if you know what this is, but this is my dad's special hot chocolate. Let's spell hot chocolate together. H-O-T-C-H-O-L-A-T-E. Amazing, everyone.
Who wants some hot chocolate? Come and get it. Let's see how much hot chocolate I can give out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Is that what I think it is? Hot dogs!
Delicious.
Last but not least, a birthday is not a birthday unless you get to burn marshmallows. Oh wow, it's really on fire. If it's that hot, how am I gonna eat it?
Happy birthday, yes. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elly. Happy birthday to you.
I guess that's it, everybody. Thanks for celebrating with me. I hope you get to celebrate with me next year. Oh, and before I forget, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.
I wanna see you grow and never be apart. You will always be daddy's superstar. And I'm just gonna hold you down forever. And you won't need to worry about anywhere you go, no matter how far. You're gonna be daddy's little superstar. I love watching everything you do. Makes me realize I gotta change my ways for you. 'Cause you are the sunshine on my cloudy day. And the smile on your face is all I need every day. I adore you, got so many things to show you. I'll be there for whatever you go through. Ups and downs, right or wrong, just know. No matter where you go, no matter how far, you're gonna be daddy's little superstar. I wanna see you grow and never be apart. You will always be daddy's superstar.